Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Tinb ARX-1 here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this bad boy. But hey, do not forget to like the video if you like it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this bad boy right over here, which is a very interesting one. It comes with the certificate of authenticity right over here, some extra part to take care and take down and maintain your toy. Of course, hard case, pink box, interestingly, and then you get your toy. This is the ARX-1 by Tinb. It is the Zirc version and titanium one. This is a super expensive toy, guys, like shy of $500 US. This is insane. It's like crazy. It's crazy expensive. It's a limited edition. I believe there's a number on the inside. Yeah, maybe here. It's called the Tinb Honor, but they are marketing as the ARX-1. There's no way to know how many were made on the inside, but anyways, this is a slider. It doesn't click, okay, but it can rotate. You see, it has track, it has zirconium balls. It is a very clever design. So there's like 4 parts, okay. So these 2 shells, beside the fact that they lost magnets, which are still here, beside that, they are machined to a very cool level of precision. And you have Zirc shells, magnetic on both sides, titanium core, you see, like, which is running on tracks, maybe like that, you can see better. It's like a tic-tac-toe kind of track. And you have zirconium balls. Maybe you can see this one, kind of like, it looks like ceramic, but the website says zirconium, to create like this very unique sound for the sliding properties. And also you can have it like rotate. It's not as easy to rotate, maybe, yeah, in this, you see, because when it's like that at the end of the track, it's harder to do. When it's on the inside, it's a little bit easier. Maybe, actually, yeah, like that. You see, it's like, it's a little bit like hard to rotate. But slide, it's, yeah, you see, like it just goes. Maybe when it's like on the central position, it's easier to rotate. You see, like that. But when it's on the, like it's already, you know, you slide it already. Yeah, you kind of can, but no, it's better if you do it, if you rotate, you see, it's easier to break the detent in the central position. That's easier. Or you just keep it to slide thing. You can slide in 4 directions freely, but it will never, you're not going to be able to open it up, because on this side, maybe you can see, I'm just going to try to pull this side. Yeah, you see, it's hinged like that. So very, very clever mechanism. I love the fact that it's the sides are like detaching, because you can buy other materials maybe and just swap and mix and match, and that's a pretty cool thing. Really clever design. Accept 4 treats per side, but right now these treats are going to be like $25 each, so this is going to increase the price of $200 if you want to complete it with treats. But nonetheless, very, very well made, very well designed, I have to say. The only thing is that let me down a little bit was the fact that these magnets here, they come off. So I would have to glue them back, and that's a little bit annoying, to be honest, especially for like a close to $500 piece. That shouldn't be happening. So the quality control definitely needs to check, or like maybe use like an epoxy glue, you know, or something like stronger to keep those magnets in place. And that's gonna be like a very, very cool one. The fact that I cannot like rotate on the open side, for example, this is a very similar concept, okay? So you get like ball bearings, you get magnets, you get a pivot, but this guy in the open position has like a, maybe kind of like a ramp in the track, so that I can, you see, rotate even if it's in the open position. This guy, you gotta do it like probably only on the when it's, you know, when it's slide, yeah, it's hard to do. You see, you have to rotate when it's in this position, but probably they should make like a ramp kind of thing, so to facilitate the rotation in the slide, in the open position, let's say. But overall, beside those nitpicks, this is a pretty cool one. Nice design, it's unique. The sound is very unique. The look is, of course, unique. The price also is unique. That's probably another nitpick that I have. But overall, that's a pretty cool one. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.